We could have just simply got all this. Yeah, yes. I've always fancied a nice little sign in my workshop. So I thought, let's make one. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, we're going to determine the middle for diddle. So I need me tape measure. Right, got a tape measure. And we are 800. So 400 is halfway. We'll do it right on the edge because I want it right on the edge. 400 is halfway. So what I'm going to do is a little curve first. Then we'll determine this. It's only going to be 40 mil up there, 40 mil, 40 mil, 40 mil, yeah. Okay, right, I want to curve my edge at my corners, so I'm just going to use an aerosol can. To mark them up. Voila! And that's the outline of my new sign. Right, well I've been looking everywhere, and I can't find the jigsaw. But I found the coping saw. Shit, this is going to be hard work, isn't it? So, yes, this is going to be good. I think it might be best to put this in the vise and saw it vertically. Well, as you've probably guessed by now, I am not a carpenter. So we're giving it a go. Nice and steady. It's not so bad actually. Maybe I am a carpenter and I never knew. Now I wouldn't like to try and make a set of Chesterfields or anything like that. But with a little bit of ply and a little handy saw, I must say I'm not doing too bad. Of course I've got the big curvy bit to do yet. Oh, I've already done that one. Oh, I've done all of them. How about that? Alright, a bit of a start. missed the corner. Damn. Yes, it's looking good, and without the aid of any power tools whatsoever. It's a miracle. Didn't even have to use my lathe. So I went down and I said to him, have you got any saw tips? He said, saw tips? I just said, yes, I have got some saw tips. That's it, always remember to put your saw tip on, mate. Oh, shit. Right, I got myself, as I'm in Spain, I said I wanted primer for it. Pintura de primación. And it says para madera antes de pintar. So I'm guessing that's about right. What it's like, I don't know, because I've never used it before. So let's have a go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's white. Ah. Goes on a bit like emulsion, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just going to rub this first coast in, just to basically seal the wood, hopefully. Right, we've chucked some blue paint on it. Next, I need to work out how I'm going to put the writing on. Not easy. So, we're going to try and cheat a little bit. Now, I haven't got any tracing paper, but I did find this. So, we're going to do that. Come on, doesn't even cut. Yes, we are trying, and it is very trying. Okay. And our thickness of letters, I'm reckoning it's going to be about something like that. Yeah. Aye. And the R something like this, and we'll carry on. So basically, we want to use that as our top sort of. if I'd have had about 500 practice runs on this, I might have got it all right. Well, this is as far as I've got. I am not a sign writer. So, it's a nightmare. Why did I ever start this? It was a great idea, but maybe a stupid one. Right, we're going to try and put this line across here now. So we're just going to whiz across and try and keep it. See, I wanted to do it all by hand. So, you know, we could have just simply had this laser printed out in some low tack, stuck it on, painted it in, Bob's your uncle, all the letters and everything would have been precise and with the correct font, because the font's wrong and everything. I couldn't have got it more wrong. So, but anyway, it wouldn't have been hand painted, would it? So, I wanted to do it like this. I wanted to have a go, so I've gone for it. Come on, son, keep it straight, keep it straight. Well, it is very time consuming. Maybe I should have just bought one. Anyway. Okay, and that's the finished, weathered, rustic look that I've created. Ready to go on my wall, I reckon.